Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Your PlayStation 5 is a powerful machine, and like any high-performance device, it can get warm. Overheating often happens due to things like dust accumulating inside, blocking airflow, or simply not having enough space around the console for proper ventilation. Sometimes, really long gaming sessions can push it too hard. Knowing why it happens is the first step to keeping your console running smoothly for years to come. The quickest way to help your PS5 is to give it room to breathe. Make sure there's at least 4 to 6 inches of clear space on all sides, especially around the vents. Don't hide it away in a tight cabinet. It needs that fresh air circulating. Even a small stand that lifts it up an inch or two can make a big difference, allowing air to flow freely underneath and around the unit. Dust is the #1 enemy of console cooling. Over time, it builds up inside, turning into a fuzzy blanket that traps heat. You'll want to gently vacuum the exterior vents, and for a deeper clean, carefully use compressed air to blast dust out. Just remember to turn your PS5 completely off and unplug it from the wall before you start, ensuring your safety and the console's well-being. For those comfortable with a bit more hands-on work, or if your PS5 is still running hot after basic cleaning, there are more advanced options. Replacing the thermal paste on the APU can dramatically improve heat dissipation, as the factory paste can degrade over time. Some users also explore upgrading to a high-performance fan, offering even better airflow. These are deeper dives, often best left to those with experience, ensuring your console is handled with care. Keeping your PS5 in top shape is really about consistent, simple maintenance. Make it a habit to check the vents for dust every few months and give it a quick wipe down. Try to keep your gaming space at a comfortable temperature too, as a cooler room helps your console stay cool. A little regular care goes a long way, ensuring your PlayStation 5 provides countless hours of smooth, uninterrupted gaming well into the future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.